Welcome to the edge of the world. The winds here are brutal, reaching speeds over 100 kilometers per hour across this vast ice sheet.
As you can see on the map, these valleys are enclosed. The cold air sinks and becomes trapped here, leading to extreme lows. The cold air is denser, causing it to sink and pool here in the valley, creating this layer of mist below the warmer air. This is a prime example of radiation cooling. The boulder radiates heat away to the clear sky faster than the air can warm it, causing this deep freeze.
See how the snow doesn't melt? This flashlight produces very little heat absorption in the powder.
This demonstrates how the ground cools at night. The heat is radiating directly up into the black.
Look at this gap here. The thermal bridging is critical. This structure simply won't retain heat during the winter months.
See how quickly that happened? The moisture from the impact freezes almost instantly.
Look at how powdery this is. The lack of moisture in the air means it cools down much faster, creating this incredibly dry snowpack.
This vast frozen expanse is a perfect example of cold air drainage. The dense, frigid air from the surrounding hill. The higher we go, the colder it gets. Up here on the peaks, the air is thin and cold, but look down there in the valley, the temperatures are much warmer. This is a perfect example of thermal inversion. The cold air sinks into the valley, creating a dense layer that sits below the warmer air mass overhead.
Notice how the warm air, the red layer, stays perfectly separated above the cold blue air. This clearly demonstrates the principle of thermal stratification.
This environment at -71 demands total isolation.
The conditions here are absolutely breathtaking. We're looking at solid ice formations everywhere, even that massive frozen wall.
It's a cold trap valley. There is no sun. The air is dry, the sky is clear, and the air is completely still.
As the sky finally darkens on this historic day, the implications are clear. We have witnessed a turning.
This is Armin, final transmission. I am activating the beacon, but the ice shelf is unstable.